Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're talking about Mars, the planet that has captured human imagination for decades. Many dream of walking on its red surface, but the truth is more complicated. By the end of this video, you'll understand the real challenges of a Mars mission and why returning to Earth may be extremely difficult, why anyone who goes to Mars may never come back, and what makes the red planet so unforgiving. 1. The distance challenge. Mars is far away, on average about 225 million kilometers from Earth. Even with current technology, a one-way trip can take 6 to 9 months. That's months of being isolated in a tiny spacecraft, with limited supplies, limited space, and limited help if something goes wrong. 2. Life support limitations. Astronauts need oxygen, water, and food for the journey. While recycling systems can help, they are not perfect. Any failure in life support could be catastrophic. Even small problems, like contamination in water or air systems, can become life-threatening millions of kilometers from Earth. 3. The harsh Martian environment. Mars itself is extreme. Its atmosphere is mostly carbon dioxide, and surface temperatures can drop below minus 100 degrees Celsius, minus 148 degrees Fahrenheit. At night, dust storms can last for weeks, blocking sunlight and interfering with solar power. There's no breathable air, no liquid water on the surface, and high radiation from cosmic rays. These factors make survival outside a spacecraft or habitat very difficult. It's like stepping into a freezer the size of a continent, with a sun that barely warms you. Surviving isn't simple. 4. Radiation exposure. Space radiation is one of the biggest invisible dangers. On the way to Mars and back, astronauts are exposed to cosmic rays and solar radiation. On Earth, our atmosphere shields us, but Mars has no such protection. Long-term exposure can increase the risk of cancer and other health problems. 5. Psychological effects. Being on Mars or on a spacecraft for months can affect mental health. Isolation, confinement, and lack of real-time communication with loved ones can cause stress and anxiety. Even minor disagreements can feel magnified in such extreme conditions. Staying mentally healthy is a major challenge. 6. Limited rescue options. Unlike low Earth orbit, Mars is too far for quick rescue. If an astronaut gets sick, injured, or if a system fails, help from Earth may arrive months later, if at all. This means that anyone going to Mars has to be almost entirely self-reliant. Imagine knowing that if something goes wrong, no one can get to you for months. That's the reality of interplanetary travel. 7. The return problem. Returning to Earth is not easy. A Mars ascent vehicle must launch from the Martian surface with enough fuel, then travel back through space, and finally survive re-entry into Earth's atmosphere. Building and storing enough fuel on Mars and making sure the rocket works after months or years on the planet is extremely difficult. Any failure in this chain could prevent a safe return. 8. Long-term exposure risks. Even if astronauts survive the trip and land on Mars, long-term exposure to low gravity, radiation, and isolation can have lasting health effects. Muscle loss, bone density reduction, and weakened immune systems make returning safely even harder. It's sobering to realize that the dream of walking on Mars comes with risks that no astronaut can ignore. Conclusion. So why may no one come back from Mars? The combination of distance, life support limits, harsh conditions, radiation, psychological challenges, and return logistics makes it one of the most dangerous missions humanity could attempt. Every step requires careful planning and extreme caution. Thanks for watching. If you found this eye-opening, hit like, subscribe for more space exploration insights, and check out our next video about the first missions that may try to settle Mars.